Hey there, so my name is Research Muthumani, and in this presentation, we will be having a look at an artificial intelligence. And the job of this artificial intelligence is to reach a target. However, this target is surrounded by obstacles, and it is the job of the artificial intelligence to go around these obstacles and hit the target successfully. Okay, people, so here are the major components that we will be seeing in our demo. First, we have the artificial intelligence. Next, we have the target. And finally, we have all these obstacles shown in black on the screen. Okay, we will now start the demo and see what happens on the screen. Okay, cool. Look at the agent. It hit the target. It's hitting it again and again. It's not going to any of the black obstacles, right? It's able to circumvent them and hit the target. This looks good, doesn't it? But is this enough? Has it really learnt, or is it just traveling down the same path again and again? Aha, here is something more of interest. So you see those like red lines on the screen, like around the agent? These are known as rays. You can think of them as like laser beams that it sends out to see what it hits. And those laser beams, they return back and they tell the agent what they hit. So some of the laser beams hit the wall, right? They will give back information that there is a wall. Some of them hit the black boxes, that gives information that it's hit the black boxes. And some of the beams, they may hit the ball, right? They say that we've hit the target, and they'll give back that information. So our artificial intelligence has to learn to make sense of all this information. Then it'll come up with a policy, and it should be able to circumvent the obstacles and reach the target. Now we'll make things a little bit more challenging. We will now change the location of the target and see if our artificial intelligence is still able to reach the target. Cool. So now we've changed the location of the ball. Look at it. It goes around the obstacle and is still able to hit the target. Right? So here is a very interesting case where it will fail. And the reason why it fails is it has not seen the target and it's stuck close to the obstacle and a wall. So the artificial agent doesn't know what to do yet. So the way around this is to probably do more training with the specialized case to train the neural networks, or else we can also use normal programming to write some kind of an algorithm to work around it if necessary. But it's always better to use the neural networks. Okay, look at it. It's able to circumvent and hit the target again and again. Of course, it fails in some of the scenarios, but most of the time it's able to hit the target, right? So that's what makes this really beautiful. You don't need to hard code anything, or you don't need to come up with a complicated algorithm to have it learn, right? So by using reinforcement learning and neural networks, you can make it learn any policy and get what you want it to do. It's truly a very interesting way of doing these things and accomplishing various tasks. All right. So once again, let's have some fun and see how it hits the targets for the rest of the video. I'm also happy to show it fails here once again. It seems really confused, right? It's very close to the ball and the wall. So, there are some corner cases where the artificial intelligence is not able to do what it's supposed to do. This is actually a good opportunity for us to take these particular test cases and to have it train in these scenarios, to reshape the neural network and to have it work even in these scenarios, right? So, you see it's failing here. It's taking a while and it may not hit the target. All right. It's also good to show failure cases because nothing is perfect. But I'm really impressed. With no coding, just from the neural networks, it's able to track stuff down. I really enjoyed this, man. Okay. Cool. He did it. Let's see. Ah, he got it again. Whoa, that was close. Wow, it hit it. Okay. Now we just fix the target in the same location and it's following the well trodden path to reach the target. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I really enjoyed making this. All right. Bye.